there, YouTubers. Doing something today I've never done before. This Decade A DustCup model here was in very, very bad shape. Broken fan, rusted out brush roll, filthy bag, bunch of little parts and pieces I managed to pick up for about 21 bucks to rebuild the thing. And honestly, I've never even plugged in this machine, turned it on, tried it out. Um, so now that it's rebuilt fully and all new parts in there and reinstalled, I have it plugged in and I've got it ready to go. So this is gonna be everyone's first shot at seeing this machine run, including me. So um, watch for flames or sparks or any kind of funky noises or any of that, because I really have no idea what we're in for. For all I know, I could plug it in and nothing happens, or turn it on and nothing happens. But these machines are usually pretty good to me when it comes to putting them back together. It's got the power surge, it's got the dust cup, it's got the dual edge lighting, which I love. Underneath it has a painted brush roller and new brushes, been all cleaned out. Still needs a couple things. The bumper guard, someone cut it half off, so it's missing. And also I need the little window for the height adjustment is missing. But I'll get all those little details later. But right now I want to turn it on for you guys and see what's going to happen. Let's cross our fingers. Here we go. Well, it has two new headlights in there, but I've seen one's not working. Well, I think it did all right. I'm disappointed that one light's not working, but I'm about to get on back on right now. So stay tuned. Appreciate you watching. Have a great day.